Hello, I'm Dr. Roland Kent, an orthopedic spine surgeon at Access Spine Center in Coeur d'Alene, Idaho. And I'm here at Seattle Science Foundation for the 10th annual Advanced Lateral Approaches to the Spine course, where I will present on robotic-assisted, single-position prone lateral surgery. My talk, as well as other lectures and demos from today, will be posted in the coming weeks on ssfyoutube.org, so stay tuned. In the meantime, here's what else is happening this week at the Seattle Science Foundation. Wednesday morning, Dr. Benjamin Elder from the Mayo Clinic will discuss the regeneration of bone and cartilage for treatment of spinal pathologies for our STED Talk series. Also, Dr. Stephen Wong will discuss intraspinal anomalies and scoliosis Thursday morning at our John Jane Visiting Surgeon Lectureship. Be sure to join us Friday when the University of Missouri will host our virtual Spine Journal Club. As always, you can register for any of our courses at ssfcme.org. And thank you for your support of the Seattle Science Foundation.